thought to originate from curry, and the Tamil word for thin sauce containing spices served in southern India. It was one of that region's many gravy-like accompaniments for meats and vegetables. The Portuguese are credited with bringing the term back to Europe after colonizing parts of India. However, curry itself may go back as far as 4,000 years. Evidence of a dish containing ginger and turmeric is found in human teeth and in cooking pots in the ancient Indian town of Formana. Both ginger and turmeric are still used in curry dishes today. Curry powder is a pre-made combination of spices from which curry can be made. Historians are uncertain as to the origins of this powder, as there is no real authentic equivalent to it on the subcontinent. The only similar authentic product would be marsala, which is often used as a paste rather than a powder, since it contains wet elements and dry spices. Masala contains a combination of roasted and ground spices that are mixed in varying amounts depending on the recipe. In the United States, curry powder is a standardized product without much variation in flavor from brand to brand. Its unique flavor comes from the fact that it consists of both sweet and savory spices. It contains spices like cumin, turmeric, bay leaf, and it gives off earthiness. Curry powder also contains cinnamon and cloves that add sweetness. Hi, my name is Doretha and I work for the Live Oak Public Library. Today we're going to be preparing a recipe which is curry chicken salad for the spice of the month for September, which is curry. Our recipe for today comes from the book Herbs and Spices Cookbook, The California Wine Country by Virginia and Robert Hoffman, and you can check it out here at the Live Oak Public Library. The ingredients you will need for today's recipe are 4 cups of cubed cooked chicken breast, 1 cup of cubed apples, 1 cup of chopped pecans, 1 cup of seedless grapes cut, 1 cup of pineapple tidbits drained, a half a cup of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, and 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. So I've already pre-cooked a whole chicken and deboned it and put it in a bowl. You can take a shortcut. You can also do the rotisserie chicken that you can buy pre-made at the store and take that off the bone, whatever your preference is. I think you could probably even use like the canned chicken breasts, drain them, but for today I did the fresh chicken. And so to that I'm going to add all of the ingredients. I'm going to do the apples, the pecans, the sliced grapes, and then the drained pineapple. And we're going to mix them together in the bowl. Turn that up so you can see. And there's a lot of color to the dish, so it makes a pretty dish. Okay, and then we're going to add to that half a cup of mayonnaise. And then the 2 tablespoons of fresh squeezed lemon juice. Also, we're going to add a teaspoon of curry. And if you don't want that much, you don't have to. You can just do according to your taste. And then we'll just mix this all together in the bowl. Make sure you get all the ingredients mixed thoroughly. All right, so this can be served on a croissant or either on a bed of lettuce, whichever you prefer. You can make a sandwich with it on toast. And I'll dish some up. And garnish with a few grapes. All right. So there's your finished product. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can look out for more from Suwannee River Regional Library in the future.